To me, Moonshot is a daring and ambitious project that has the potential to redefine us.
We realized that the world was changing and it was going to change permanently and structurally.
Only looking at the climate goals, we know for sure we need to change because we need to be carbon neutral in 2050.
We more and more feel that energy transition and digitalization is really changing the landscape of the port.
Although we have a huge impact right now on the environment, we also have the right factors together. If we combine them, we can actually be the leader of the change. The only thing we know for sure is that the port of the future will look completely different from what it does now. And in shaping that port of the future, we're actually faced with many questions we simply do not know the answer to yet. This is new to us. We need a different way of thinking and working, a different approach.
THNK was a relatively new party who was approaching the idea of innovation in a completely different way. In a sense, it was an innovative way to think of innovation.
We need innovation to conquer the future, so to say.
The goal of the program is to create impact by applying a different way of working and mindset to strategic challenges at the Port of Rotterdam.
I think in our normal work, we focus on the day-to-day things and we don't have the time to think about what's happening in 5 years, what's happening in 10 years. Because of the game changers, we got the opportunity to think that way and actually think, what's the world gonna look like?
Everything that you think, you have to put it aside and start all over again, which is really challenging in the beginning. But further along the way, it becomes more fun and it allows you to be more creative.
We will not know the answer for the coming weeks, months, years, but we do have to get going because our end vision is a carbon neutral or fully digital port. THNK actually helps us in creating the mindset and the way of working internally that we need for answering those questions.